You know, today everything's about digitalization. Imagine, after purchasing your car, you could add features that you did not pre-configure, just in the moment that you need them. How cool is that? Well, let me introduce you to the BMW Connected Drive Store, where you can upgrade your car over the air. Super easy and comfortable. For example, wouldn't it be nice to pre-climate your car on a hot summer day like this? The remote engine start is all you need. Or, what about a helpful system that supports you when you're facing a traffic jam situation? So, just book the Driving Assistant Plus. And even better, not only can you book additional features on demand, you can also choose for how long you want to use them. Isn't that true flexibility? Imagine you need to hit the road at night. Switching between beams can be annoying, right? Oh, come on guys, adjust the beams.
Sorry.
Or just have your car do it for you. The High Beam Assistant automatically adjusts your beams whenever it detects a car coming in your direction. With zero effort, you make the road safer for everyone. And less annoying.
Sorry.
But speaking of roads, it's time to get going. What a shame to go out in times like these without gloves, right? No, not anymore. If your car is not already equipped, just add the heated steering wheel. The perfect solution when it's winter. You see, the BMW Connected Drive Store offers a wide range of new functions depending on your personal needs. Bookable within the car, via app, or on your desktop computer. Just as you like. And it's pretty easy to activate. Just select the feature you want to purchase at the BMW Connected Drive Store, pay once depending on your selected runtime, or just activate it for a lifetime. Then simply confirm the purchase via your My BMW app. And that's it. Say goodbye to frosty hands. Maybe we should also add the seat heating.